Today we are going to look at how to repair sambar when there is excess salt in it. There are many methods in which we can remove the extra saltiness in sambar, but today I am going to tell you a very easy method. Suppose you have prepared 1 liter of sambar and it has excess salt in it. Then take 2 potatoes, cut it into equal halves, and then take these 4 pieces and slip them into the sambar. Now start cooking it for a few minutes. Now after it gets cooked, remove the potato pieces and you can throw it. And then now you can taste the rest of the sambar for the salty. Instead of using the potato pieces, there is another option of using the atta ball. Make 4 lemon size atta balls, slip them into 1 liter sambar and start boiling it. Now as the atta gets cooked, it starts absorbing the excess salt, and then after some time you can stop cooking and then throw the atta balls out. Taste the sambar.